Okay, so in this short video, we're going to do a quick calculation to find the mode of a data set. The mode can be found using mode.single or mode.mult. When your data set is multimodal, you probably want to, if you're not sure if your data set is multimodal, you might want to use the mode.mult. If it's single modal, then you could use this function, mode.sngl. Let's see the difference. So sngl here, do we use it? So equals mode.sngl for single. And then what happens is that when you hit enter, it will return the first mode it encounters if the dataset has a mode at all. Okay, so in this case, the mode is 85. Likewise, mode.mult will do the same thing, except if it has more than one mode, it will return all modes. In this case, I believe this dataset is single modal and 85. So we see that this is 85. Okay, now just to show you what it would do if it had, say, two modes, let's go ahead and change this 82 to an 83 here. So now that we have, two modes. And so you can see that the function returned both modes again. Just to illustrate that from scratch, mode.mult, highlight the data, and once again, it should give us both modes. And if you noticed here, this also changed to 85 because 83 was the first mode it encountered. Okay, so that's how you calculate the mode using Excel's mode.mult or mode.single function.